This is part 4 on the video on user-defined Ajax callbacks, and as you recall at the end of the last video, setting the properties of the element on the page didn't work. So let's go and take a look at why that didn't work, and we had misspelled the name of this object over here. So this is the correct spelling over there. So this is going to set the element of the value property of an element called LE2, which we had in the freeform edit region below the grid. So let's go ahead now and run this, and now you can see when I press the button, the Ajax callback happens and the grid element gets set, and also the element at the bottom of the screen gets set. Now, in addition to setting the value of that element, we can set properties of that element as well. So let's go here, for example, and say e dot underbar set element dot le2 dot style dot color equals blue. So now we're setting the color of that element to be blue, and I want to point out that this is very important, that these element names are case sensitive because they get translated into IDs of elements on the page. So let's go ahead now and run this and click the button, and you can see now that we've set this. Not only have we set the content of this element, but we've also set its style. And then the one final thing I'd like to point out is that in addition to setting properties of fields in the current row, you can actually on your callback set properties of fields in any row, again using the special E object. So let's go back here, and I'm going to just paste in an additional command over here. So you can see here, using not the underbar set object, but the underbar set row and then the row number, we've set the property here of product ID to P023 in row number 3. So even though we're going to click a button, say in row number 1, we're going to in our callback set a value in row number 3. And if we wanted to set a value in a new record row, then we would use an underbar. So we can go here and let's go ahead here and copy this and change this here to say underbar and then 2. So this will be the second new record row. So let's go ahead now and try that out and click the button. And what you see there is the second new record row. We've changed the value, and also in row number 3 we've changed the value, and of course those 2 rows now have gone dirty. So this series of videos has shown how easy it is to write user-defined Ajax callbacks, and instead of generating the JavaScript yourself as you would normally do in your callback handler, you've just set properties of the special object, the underbar set object that's inside the E object, and Alpha 5 has actually then turned around and written the JavaScript for you. Thank you very much.